मैं एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट को बुलाने लगी हूं। यकीनन आप सब सुनकर खुश होंगे। ह्यूमन राइट एक्टिविस्ट है, रिवर्टेड मुस्लिम है, रेनाउंड जर्नलिस्ट और ब्रॉडकास्टर है। I would like to invite Sister Lauren Ruth from United Kingdom. Please, sister.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma salli Muhammad wa ali Muhammad kama sallaita Ibrahim wa ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum Lahore. Mashallah. What a beautiful sight it is to see all of you here in your very being, proving how empowered the Muslim woman is in the 21st century. Takbir! I grew up in London in the West, right? And I have never met such strong households, such brilliant women as the women I have met in the ummah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now there are two types of empowerment that we can talk about. One is social empowerment, and that is often to do with making sure that our society is fair. And you know whether your society is fair or not better than me. But I want to talk to you very briefly, my dear sisters, about empowerment from ourselves. Empowerment away from what the West wants to make us into. Now, you may not remember this, but more than 60 years ago, France wanted to empower the Algerian woman 100 years ago, 70 years ago, out of hijab. Because that is where they want us, available, ready, and useless. So our first act against our nafs and against this belittling of womanhood is to wear our hijab with pride, out of love for Allah Ta'ala, and in defiance of beauty standards. Which brings me to my second point. The beauty standards that we have to face as women. Are you being influenced, oh Pakistan dears, by the need to have Botox, or Dhuhr, your Asa and your Isha? And Maghreb, you are winning against yourselves and against the oppressors. Because we stand with the women of the world who support true liberation and true empowerment. And we are here today to stand very clearly from Pakistan to Palestine with the mothers, the daughters and the sisters of the Gaza Strip. We see you, we love you, we respect you, and we are rallying for you in our hearts as well. So my message today is very simple. My dear sisters, do not fall for Westernism. Do not fall for what they tell you is fashion, empowerment, single life, hating men, hating the deen, hating Pakistan, hating your culture, hating your families, being alone and useless and addicted to your screens. Be empowered by Allah and the way of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and empower the world. Takbir! Takbir! I love you all for the sake of Allah. Assalamu alaikum.